how to remove songs from Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove songs from Instagram post. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Instagram app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll be able to see your post here. So simply you have to select the post. Alright, so after you select the post, by tapping on the three dot, you'll be able to see different option. Okay, so from this option, there is no any official way to remove songs from your Instagram post. So you can't do it on Instagram. So alternatively, you can go with the option remix just at the top right corner. So simply tap on the remix option. Alright, so after you tap on that remix option, you will be able to see such interface. So now from here, you can alternatively add a music from here. So you can easily change the music of your Instagram post by tapping on the music icon. Okay, from here, tap on music. Alright, so from the music section, you'll be able to add a music on your Instagram post on the remix option. So after you tap on that, you'll have to just tap on the done option just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here you can next and change the audio of your Instagram post. So this is the alternative method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.